Hello and welcome to part 2 of this vRealize Automation lab demo. I already did part 1, which was your self-service catalog familiarization. This is all part of Module 1. The next part of this is, actually it took a while longer. I think it didn't expect me to take as long to jump between part 1 and part 2. Anywho, part 2 is approval policy. So in part 1, uh, we opened a browser, we logged in, we submitted a request, and theoretically we're going to have to wait for a while. But as you can see, it's kind of back here already running. Our next part is to request a large deployment. So, it's running, it's created 20 minutes ago, yeah. Rendering these videos can take a little while. It's got an IP address, it is on, brilliant. So now we're going to explore creating, submitting a larger request. So we're going to go back to our catalog. And let me move this up because I don't want to be in the way. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're going to get looked at CentOS again. We're going to request it, but now we're going to change the number of CPUs from 1 to 2. Boom. And we're going to call that approval policy test. And that's really all we're going to do. We're not going to change storage or memory or any of that. Now, if the request is pending approval, the workflow will pause. So we can go intercept it and approve it. So click submit. And it's submitted. Notice I've also got some actions here on this one. I can change the owner, change its security, destroy it, expire it, do its details. So we're going to wait for just a second. It's submitted. Pending approval. Okay, see, there we go. Pending approval. Actually, let me look at my catalog now. Deployments, components, history, one request. Okay, so what we've got here is pending approval because I have to approve it. Okay, so this actually sent an email. Okay, so how does that work? So let's go to a new tab. Boom. Let's go to HOL admin. Boom. And choose webmail. And round cube. Okay. Boom. Choose dev user at rainpole.com. And VM there one exclamation point. Next. So I have a request now. Boom. Okay, request. Click this one, the most recent one. Let me see. 2 CPUs, 10 gigs of storage. Yeah, this is the one I want. This is 1 CPU. It just kind of spun up already. Existing. So this is the one we want. This honestly looks like a really old webmail interface. Reminds me of something I would have used in the mid to late 90s. Yay. Okay, so anyway, what do we want to do here? Want to go to, okay. Okay. We want to make sure we didn't want to do anything. So this is definitely the one we want. View details. Okay, expires never. CentOS, really, okay, nothing there. No, close that. So what we want to do is log out again. Okay, boom. Log out. We're going to log Dev Manager at rainpole.com. Log in. So I could see it, but I can't do anything with it. Okay, didn't like that. Why not? Let me try this again. Log in. Okay, action needed. Okay, so what can I do? Okay, now, notice I had information, but I didn't have the ability to do anything with it. So I've logged in. I can click the Approve button. Boom. Click, let's see. Click Approve. Clicking Approve on the email, a message will appear. Type Approved. And click. Yeah, this is coming from Dev Manager. Want to make sure you're not using the wrong account. Send. Sent successfully. Boom. So now we can log out again. Okay. And we can, I think, go ahead and close that tab. Now you're going to log in via the portal. What I'm going to do is Dev User. I'm going to log out of me now. Log out. Go back to the login page. I'm going to log in as a new person. So now I'm going to log in, go back to login page, did that. I'm going to do CFO. And sign in. Okay, good. So that's me. And let's see. I've got my inbox. Notice that I don't have the same options. I didn't get a catalog or deployments or any of that. I've got my inbox. Approvals. Click the refresh icon. Click the refresh icon. Boom. All. Refresh. Okay. There's nothing there. So I should actually see, I should have seen this already. Okay. Keep spamming. Okay, there we go. Good. So I see this. Good. Okay, just had to be patient with it. So what we're going to do now is on the in justification type approved. And I'm going to click the approve button. So I'm going to it's requesting a vSphere vCenter machine for dev user request number 2, CentOS, assigned to the CFO, approve. And now we can log out again. We're going to go back in as dev user, log back in, now dev user again. Sign in. And I believe we should see in my, so here we go. So we've got our usual catalog, Infoblox CentOS Server 2016. Go to the Deployments tab. and we will see it is deploying. It is now in progress. Okay, refresh, 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 boom. And once this is going, we will move on to part 3 of our lab, which is interacting, section 3 of our lab, which is interacting with our deployed VMs. Refresh, refresh. Okay, and it is going. It is going. Let's see how long this takes. I've got 4 minutes left on this video. Let's see it. Let's see what happens first: making these things available, or the VM stopping, or the ads, or not the VM, the ad, the video stopping. Okay, 44%.